Hold on, I want to look at the lions. Look at them. Wow. I think they're girl lions. Ooh, hello. Wills, listen. Well, hello.
I'm scared. That's scary.
Yeah, that is kind of scary, isn't it? It's kind of cool.
Oh, right there, look. A deer.
Yeah, look at those guys.